Hello my lovelies, the Cold Queen here, still in House Flipper. We just did this living room, which is so flipping cute. I can't even handle it actually. Um, I think I want to work on the kitchen. This is definitely going to be my last video today. I am so fucking sweaty. I can't even handle it. It is just too much. Um, Uplim. I wish you could like select and copy. Okay, we got these. I kind of like it in the green. But sunny yellow. Ooh, Del Cardoso stone. That sounds fancy as fuck. Oh yeah, I gotta put windows in this son of a gun. Don't let me forget. You know, my brain's not good. I'm probably gonna forget this video. um, Sunny yellow. Alright, I was about to be shook if it didn't have the same options. Okay, and then I want one more each of these. Another sink over here. Another stove over here. Oh, maybe not. Or a small stove? Question mark. Is there a small, like a stove on its own? There's a sink on its own. Here's the dishwasher. Yes, please and thank you. I was looking for that. Oh, dishwasher. Actually, I want the dishwasher over here. Don't ask me why, it just feels right over there. And then, ooh, built-in light refrigerator. And then here's the motherfucking stove. Okay. Sunny yellow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. Let's get this, with that. You know what I almost want to do? Hang on. Where's that fucking big ass one? This sweet baby. Tell me you don't have the same fucking color. Game. How are you gonna do me dirty like that? Although that don't match. Do you have another one of those? No, of course not. Actually, so I think I want to do it this way. Have one of these, and then I'm gonna put the stoves in, maybe like next to each other. But I didn't like that the two stoves looked different. It kind of irritated me. Where are you again, stove? Here we go. Perfect. No, maybe that's 100 wide. How big is that, you think? Oh damn, they put mad sizes in them. Maybe 80. I was about to get mad if it didn't have the right one. Yep, nope, I think that is 100. Do they have 100? No, they don't. Okay, so how about a 60 with what, like a 40 or a 50? Let's try Ooh, 45 maybe? And a yellow. Nope, 40. Good first guess, and I was right. Shouldn't even question myself. Alright, and then what do we want over here? Some drawers. Because I don't think that we have any. Oh, no, we do have drawers. I take it back. I think I want cabinet doors. So those. Some yellow. Okay, and actually I like that because they both end at like the same part. Okay. Windows. I didn't forget. I didn't forget. Maria. Yeah, Maria. Um, ooh, I kind of like these. 250. White wood. With wenge. With wenge. Or do I want white wood again? Yeah, with sunny yellow. Oh, baby. So I can have upper cabinets there, there. Hmm. Yeah. My ears! Okay. Angles. Okay. White, wenge, white, sunny yellow. Okay, one there. I greatly dislike the placement of those, but I need a window on each side. How much room is there? I have, that's, oh, I forgot that adding windows means I have to paint and add walls, stuff all over again. What was the first one I did? This one, right? Was it this one? I think so. I gotta pay more attention. Actually, I could just go like this. Yep, it was that one. White, wenge, white, sunny yellow. Okay. Let's see what the house looks like from the outside. Oh, my babies. My babies. Hi, Phyllis. You're getting big, Mama. Hi, Lassie. You're beautiful as always. And then hi, Franny. You're pretty, pretty, pretty kitty. Okay. Stop. Why didn't it? Oh my god. All of a sudden I looked and I was like, why does this not look right? Because it didn't change the color on one of them. Or I didn't change the color on one of them. Clearly that one, I clicked too quick. Oh, you guys coming in out of the sun? Luckily I've placed most of my stuff in here, so that's okay. Okay. Alright, now let's look from outside. Yeah, that looks classy AF. I I wish there was some kind of wrench we could put on here. Or on here. We'll come back to the outside. We'll come back. Do I want a little kitchen island? Ugh. Why would they not add the same mother? Oh, they do. Shh. Don't worry. I was just getting a little heated, but it's okay. It's okay. They had it. Yeah, that looks pretty much in the center. Maybe a little bit over this way. Yeah, that's perfect. Look, there's the same amount like this little bit, that little bit. Close enough to perfect where I can be okay with leaving it. All right. Now we need hanging cabinets. I want the one with the flowers. Sunny yellow. Nope, I don't want that one there. Okay, still gotta move that down. That might be right. So that's 60. I think 40. Again. Do, 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 do. Yep, okay. Then, so we did a 40. We'll do 50. Alright. I know a 40 might fit perfect right there. Let's see. Oh, brilliant. You love to see it. So the corner one didn't fit. Annoying. Will this fit? Ooh, that oh my god. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a click down. One, two, three, 4, and a click. I will admit it looks a little silly. And it's actually not even lined up right. This one is. And now I need to click that one down even one more. Well, it's a nice kitchen. You can actually like reach shit instead of having to stand on your tippy toes. 60. Oh, damn it. I don't have the yellow to line it up with. And by yellow, I mean green. Do, do. You know what? No, you don't get to go there. We need the halogen lights. Ceiling. Where are you? Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, gonna be closer than I want it to be. Seven, eight. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, okay. I could get with it. Now we just need to add the kitchen accessories that I like. Can these fit anywhere? Is the real question. I'll leave the rest like that. Okay. Hi, kitten. Alright, then we need these guys. Hi, Lassie. Okay, get this other one. And white. Okay, if I move this over a little, I think we can fit a microwave in the corner. The white one to go with the rest of the white we're sticking in here. Okay, okay, okay. What about like a coffee maker? Yes. Okay, so you can either have beans in it or not. Okay, look at these fancy fuckers. Let's go back to accessories, kitchen. Where's the fucking bowl of fruit? Not that little bowl. Yeah, this chonker bowl. We could go over here. Something. Electric kettle. What about knives over here? Can we fit one of you? Oh, and then another one for over here, though. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? We can get some shopping things. We could put the knives over here. Then a cutting board. Okay. With a knife on that. Okay. Alright, I'm fairly content with that. I think I want chairs right here. Furniture, dining room. Light, green, but white. There we go. Whoop. Is there anything else? What about windows, curtains? I quite like those, but I know damn well that's not gonna fit. So before I even try, fuck it. Will this... Okay. So it does. Okay, okay. So all the times that I've been looking at it and saying, that's fucking stupid, it doesn't fucking fit. Ooh, that matches the walls kind of nice. It would have fit. I was just a freaking idiot. Okay. Let's see. I can't think of anything else I really want to add. Maybe like a toaster. This can go over here, right next to that. We can't stick a hood up there. And I kind of want light up here. What light? What light? What light? Ceiling. Maybe a couple of these babies. Beige. And in the middle. Okay, that's like cozy as fuck looking. This one needs to move over slightly more. Oh my god, click one back, you son of a gun. Yeah, that looks evenly spaced. Alright, yay! There we go, kitchen. All done. I like it. It's super cute, bright, green, pretty. Still jazzy, but still country and cute. Let's see. We could add one of these little white ruggies too. Pampas grass. This is kind of fucking big. Well, if I'm gonna put one down and have it be there, it might as well be one of the really big ones. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Floor. How are we looking now? Here we go. I'm trying to cut out the other room so we can just see this room. Yay! Okay, I fucking love it now. These last details, the rug and the little pampas grass or whatever the fuck it's called. Love it. Oh, Lassie scratching herself over there. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this one here. This is gonna be my last one today. I'm fucking sweating my tit holes off. I can't cope. I need my AC back on. So, I fucking love you guys. Thank you all for watching. We're up to 76 subscribers. I love all of you. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.